And on the way up here, Patrick was very much looking forward to coming back to the north. He also is a very big fan of old architecture, aren't you? And
where this is going.
He doesn't like to talk about it, but he even collects books and things on old abbeys and stuff like that. Which abbey is it that you're taking us to see tomorrow? The Revo Abbey, is it? Is that it? Oh, is it that one?
I wasn't told about this.
Oh, you're the one that's, oh, can we stop and look at that building on the way?
Yeah.
Come on, Patrick. Enlighten the audience.
Right. Anyway, this is an old folk song called Adar Man y Mynydd, which translates as the Little Mountain Birds, and it's just a very beautiful old Welsh love song.
Sy'n glaf o glefyd newydd, does gennyf ddim yn y rhegion, nad yw os dyn ni diwed yn y fôn, i'r ddwy ni gof yr hwn a'ch car, ond par o yr adar yma'n fe eithaf yw siornau belled a sant ac yn o'r gyfer gwely gwen hwy ar y pren gan a sant dywedai lliw'r ewin o'ch ni pa beth yw'r deri sydd yma'n tiwnio nawr mor y braf a minnau'n glaf ar y derfyn cenhadon i'n gwynewch goelio wrth y mwyn a'ch caro gael i'r wybod ffordd y ddyrif a'i mendio'n wych a'i peidio dywedwch wrth ond a wel mae byr y fydd hyd fy hoeden cyn diwedd hyn o haf yn brif a'n gymysg brif ag yr afel a'n gymysg brif ag yr afel gymysg